Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're like me, you've probably misplaced your AirPods at least once. But don't worry, in 2025, tracking your AirPods has never been easier with Apple's latest updates. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to track your AirPods quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone or iPad is running the latest iOS update. By 2025, Apple has rolled out enhanced tracking features, so updating is crucial. Head to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. This ensures you have access to the newest tools in the Find My app. Once you're up to date, open the Find My app on your device. It's pre-installed on all Apple products, so you won't have to download anything. In the app, tap on the Devices tab and select your AirPods from the list. You'll see their last known location on a map. Pretty cool, right? Now, if your AirPods are nearby, use the Play Sound feature. This will make your AirPods emit a loud chime, helping you pinpoint their exact location. For more precision, enable the new Precision Finding mode, available in 2025, which uses augmented reality to guide you straight to them. Just point your camera at your surroundings and follow the on-screen directions. What if your AirPods are offline? No problem. Apple's expanded Find My network allows other nearby devices to help locate them anonymously. Go to the Mark as Lost option in the app to add a custom message and contact info, so if someone finds them, they can get in touch. A few quick tips. Always keep Bluetooth enabled on your devices, and consider using a case with a built-in tracker for extra security. If you can't find them at all, reach out to Apple support, they're super helpful. There you have it. Tracking your AirPods in 2025 is straightforward and stress-free. Give it a try next time you misplace them, and let me know in the comments if this helped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.